Structure down there. Old Christmas tree I threw down there years ago. Turtle. Oh, nice old bass. Y'all seen it. Guess somebody got them on camera. They'll jump right next to it. A buddy of mine gave me these jigs. They'll hit it, but I think he might have doctored on the point of the jigs. I caught, hooked quite a few. Probably missed more. That damn $200 rod. You know, sometimes them crappie pile up on that edge. They do might be some fun. Hand-tied jig. The other day I was using a white one, and boy, you talking about turning up. Turning up. That wind make it kind of hard to feel that thump, especially with this ACC light being so sensitive to it. It's 14. Damn, I had them. I had them, y'all. I had them. I'm running my mouth. Dang, I had them. Running my mouth. I felt them hit. It's a stick there. I don't want you stick. Ain't got no beavers at the house. 14-3 push down. It's a log that run across through there. An old tire. Same stick again. Now we know it wasn't no bite. We established that. We'll keep running this head. Might catch a crappie down through there. Yeah, this 14-foot ACC, it ain't that heavy. People, man, that's a big old long rod, but it's not that heavy. Working that jig up through there. This time of year, you don't know where that crop is at. You just don't know. He could be piled up right there. That log running down the edge of there. Let's see, I'm dropping. One thing about crappie fishing, you can't be scared to get home. Cannot be scared to get home. That's something that's gonna happen. It's just inevitable. You never know this time of year. You know, just jigging along the edge of this, and you can find you a school of them slabs. I see them steady getting snags. Just run the edge of that bank. Just never know where a fish is. And I can come here and fish. Got my jig pole right around. I ain't got to worry about minnows and worms. That's another hang. Hey, you gonna catch some crappie, you gonna get home. Man say he crappie fishing and ain't getting home, he ain't crappie fishing. Promise you. He just out there. Matter of fact, probably go somewhere and get me some jigs today, some hooks. I done ran through a couple of packs. There you go. There you go. Told you. Oh. All I'm doing is just, oh. Whew. Oh. Oh, get back in there, god dang it. He made it back safely. All I'm doing is coming through there and just jigging. It's that simple. Y'all see I'm looking around, I'm watching for snakes too. I say this is the time of year you can catch some crappie low. I mean, next to the bank. If I was a gambler, man, I'd fish out there. Take this down through it one more time. And I'm gonna leave. Shoot a short video of me digging out a beaver down. That wind a little high. I had that down here, can't even feel my jig. I get down there low. I had a with me, I would just sling out there and pop it. That wind, fishing that 16th. Yeah, right there. Just pop it up and down. Next to that stump, and then that water kind of break away. Sometimes a crappie, bass. Fish should sit there and wait for you know, some prey to come through. Yeah. I see that stick out there now hanging. Let's see if I'll go. Yeah, man, with a cork and a minnow probably could set right there and catch some fish. You got that old trash setting up there. Them crappie will set up on that trash. Them crappie will set right there off to the side of that current and some trash. You got bugs and stuff feeding. This time of year crappie like to feed on bugs. That's why that jig works really, really good. I've been feeding on minnows all winter. I know because I've been catching them. Wish I can get one off this side so y'all can see. But fish ain't always there neither. One thing we gotta realize. But if they are, I'm just showing you what you can do to get them. Even our pitch out here. Just hold it up a little bit, let it fall. Give it a little bounce. There you want them to see it. Y'all seen me scan the edge of this, catch fish in the next to the current. Both sides. Fishing ain't gotta be just sitting down. Get you a good jig pole. You don't have to be an ACC. Right there at the end of that water. There's a jig. Hope I don't lose my jig because I didn't bring no more. Just grabbed a pole out the truck and went out the boat and came on. I knew I had something else to do. Alright, y'all.